The PYD Life Tumbler Heat Press Attachment is an indispensable tool for those using the PYD Life Tumbler press machine, ensuring compatibility with its 5-pin connector. This attachment is expertly designed for use with 3-ounce sublimation mini skinny tumblers, stainless steel shot glasses, and ceramic espresso mugs, making it versatile for various small items. One of the standout features of this tumbler press attachment is its ease of installation, allowing users to start their sublimation projects with minimal hassle. For efficient sublimation printing, the attachment operates at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds on stainless steel and 280 seconds on ceramic. The PYD Life Tumbler Heat Press Attachment comes with a reassuring 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for users who may encounter any issues. The customer service team is committed to resolving any problems within 24 hours, highlighting the brand's dedication to customer satisfaction.